Hello Telangana EAPCET aspirants 2025. We are from NEET World. Now we are going to give you a detailed information on how you have to fill your application form TG EAPCET 2025. Yes.
Hello dear students. So suppose you go to Google and type TG EAPCET application, then you will get this home page. So after this you have to scroll down, then you will get this window. So one is containing information, then it is about online application form. So this information is having important dates. So the application window is from March 1st to April 4th. Just because your exam is done by March 20 or 21st, okay, don't relax. Please know that your application is ending by April 4th. So let's get started, friends. So when it comes to application form, it is a 3-step process. So let us get started. The first step is yes.
In the first step, here you have to read the detailed notification of the information booklet, and after that click on yes. Then here you will get candidates are advised to read carefully the notification and information booklet before applying. Here what all you need to choose in the first process is your subject students, whether it is MPC, BIPC or you have done any diploma or MBIPC. Select that and then name of the board, whether it is Telangana board or other states, you have to choose it. Okay. Then qualifying exam hall ticket. Okay, whichever stream inter exam hall ticket, you have to provide it here. Candidate's name, it should be as per your SSC and as per your intermediate certificate name only. That candidate's name along with surname, it should be in the same pattern. Next.
Same with respect to date of birth. It should be as per SSC or inter exam hall ticket.
Yes.
Okay. Next
candidates and students mobile number. You should provide an active mobile number which should be with you till you get into some college. Okay.
This is alternate mobile number, that is what? It is optional.
Yeah. And email ID also you have to provide. Email ID and mobile number, you have to give an active email ID and active mobile number, so that all the information regarding your counseling process or your exam details will come to that mail ID and mobile number.
So next, so friends, once you give MPC as an option, suppose you have chosen MPC, hence eligible for only engineering stream only. Once you give this, then click OK. Then after that, like ma'am explained, you have to enter qualifying exam, that is inter exam hall ticket number. You can enter it here. Next we will get these details which ma'am explained, that is candidate's name, date of birth and candidate's mobile number, alternate mobile number, email ID. All these things as per your inter exam or SSC exam equivalent, that is candidate's name, date of birth. Okay, all these things. Next, coming to
and
category.
Next you have to choose category. When you are choosing your category, you have to be very cautious. If you don't know, once you ask your parents, and then you have to
your parents.
Yes, because if you don't know and click for some other caste, then you may miss your reservations.
Sure. That is why you have to make sure that you consult your parents before choosing this. Next, stream applied for.
You have to also choose whether physically challenged or not. I think you have to provide a certificate also if you are physically challenged.
First, that you have to get it from a certified doctor, then only it will be applicable. Otherwise, it's not applicable. Next, here stream applied for. Okay, after this one, you are getting stream applied for. There is engineering, okay, agriculture and pharmacy. Both engineering, agriculture and pharmacy. You can choose out of the three, any of them.
And students category, after that, if you belong to OC, you can also get like EWS certificate. If you have EWS certificate, you have to provide the certificate number of that EWS certificate here. Okay, then you have to choose physically challenged. If yes, no. Then as sir said, you have to go for the stream.
So this is after stream, you will get payment type. Payment type, you can go for net banking. These are the banks that are available, or you can use debit card or credit card. Then after that, next step is I have gone through all the detailed information that this is what the window that you will get. You have to tick mark it and you have to go for proceed for payment. Okay, after you go for proceed for payment,
this
once
is
payment
most
is
important,
done,
like fee structure you have to follow. Sir, please explain that.
So when it comes to fee structure, see, this is for open category SC, ST and PH others. Okay, this is the fee structure. You can see this is available on the website itself. Based on that, you have to pay the fees, and after paying, you will get. I told you there are different options: net banking, and also you can use debit card or credit card. Then after that, you have to know your fee payment status. Click on this. After that, you will get a window. It shows like this.
Yes. Here it shows like your payment is successful. You have to most importantly note the payment reference ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Then that you will fill in your application form. With your payment reference ID only, you will start filling the application form.
Next, you have to go for proceed to fill application. Then
after checking your payment status, it gives you success. Yeah.
Now you have to go for proceed to fill application. So there, before that you have to give payment reference ID, like ma'am explained. You have to make a note of it. Then qualifying exam hall ticket, which you gave previously, same thing you have to give. Mobile number which you gave previously, same thing, and date of birth which you have given previously, same thing. Next thing is coming to gender. Then after that category which you have applied before.
Yes.
Okay, same thing. Next, do you belong to EWS? Like ma'am explained. If you belong to EWS, you should have a certificate, that certificate number, all these things.
And
then,
if you have any special reservation category like NSS or COP or sports, like that you can choose if you have any special reservation category. Then minority and non-minority also you have to choose based on the state's criteria.
Yeah, state minority. Okay.
Yes.
That
And
you should know whether you are a minority in Telangana or not. You have to get to know. If you know already, then fine. Otherwise, ask your parents.
Yeah. Annual income.
Annual income, there are broadly 4 categories: below 1 lakh, and another one is between 1 to 2, another one is 2 and above, another one is you have to give income certificate for this. This is optional they are telling, but during the counseling they may ask this.
Yes,
so
definitely they will be asking you the income certificate at the time of counseling. So get your income certificate ready, okay?
That is for current year, right?
This financial year only.
Next, bank details. This is optional but still provided. Name as in bank account, then account number, then IFSC code. Then coming to address, you have to start with house number, village or street or locality, district, state. Before that you have to give mandal, town or city. Then your mobile number which you gave earlier, and you have to give email ID. That's it. Telephone number, if you have landline you can give, otherwise it's okay. Next, coming to qualification details.
Yes.
Intermediate, equivalent, diploma. Okay. There, if you have done in rural area, give rural, or urban area, give urban. Type of the examination, if it is intermediate regular or intermediate private, or if it is intermediate vocational, diploma, CBSE 10+2, these are the options you have. Based on which category you fall, you can give this. Next, coming to group subjects of the qualifying exam, whether you belong to MPC, that is you have chosen MPC or BIPC, MBIPC or diploma. Okay, choose it as per your requirements, that is as per the subjects which you have chosen in the intermediate.
Yes.
Next,
here you have to provide, thereafter you have to provide your hall ticket number of the qualifying exam and then year of passing,
that
and
is
you
2025.
have, yes, if it is diploma you have studied in, you have to select it like which course you have studied. Then you have to select the bridge course hall ticket number also, like the hall ticket number here you are providing, right? And then medium of instruction at the qualifying exam, what was your medium, whether it is English, Telugu, Urdu or others, that you have to provide. And the medium of test you want to write, the TG EAPCET.
Yeah, if you want to write in English and
Telugu or English Urdu,
yeah,
that you have to provide. And the next hall ticket number of your intermediate, year of passing, this is of SSC,
yeah.
Okay, of SSC hall ticket number, whether you have completed your SSC exam in urban and rural,
and
then
year of passing,
that and all you have to provide here.
These are the remaining study details, that
Yes,
is class
from
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yes,
10, 11,
up
12.
to 10th,
Up to
up to 12th,
12th,
okay. From here to up to 12th class, all the year of passing you have to provide it, and be careful while you are mentioning all your educational details,
The place and all these things.
Yes,
Be
because
careful.
that will be counted at the time of your counseling, whether if you have any gap at the year and all,
The number
okay.
of years studied in Telangana, all these things will be counted.
Yes,
Okay.
so be careful when you are providing all these details. Yes, lastly you have to provide the photo and signatures. Sir, just tell the
Yeah, I'll tell you. So before that, you will get a window like this. That is to apply for photo. But before that, you will have stream applied. That is engineering or whatever. Next, after that, test zones. That is, you have to give the test center. That is preference district. you have 3 preferences, preference 1, preference 2, preference 3. Here be careful, apply the preference accordingly. The nearest center which is for you, give the first preference based on the second preference, third preference. 90% of the time you will get the first
preference only. So be careful when you are applying for when you are keeping your preference exam centers. And sir,
Next,
please tell us about
photo,
the size, photo size
be,
and signature size that they have.
It should be less than 50 kb when
Yeah.
it comes to come to photo. When it comes to signature, it should be less than 30 kb. You can check whether it is 20 or 30. You will get to know once you read the detailed application form instructions. Got it? So after that, I hereby declare that if you click, you will get save and next. Then you will get this one. You will get this one. Okay. So photo and signature is done. This is uploaded. You can either modify or submit. After submitting, what will happen is you will get a window. It shows that application is successful. Your application is confirmed successfully. You will get the registration number. That registration number you have to save it. Either you can take a screenshot, or if you are doing it in a browsing center, make a note of that application number. Also, you will get it in your registered mobile number.
Yes.
That number.
Mobile number you will get for your mail ID also. The registration number you will get it.
Yeah.
Here you have to once again submit your payment reference ID and qualifying exam date and your mobile number, date of birth, whichever you have provided previously, that and all you have to once again re-enter, and then you have to enter this, please give us
candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, and Aadhaar number, ration card number. Ration card number is optional. This window when it comes when you start to fill the application. Okay, got it? Next thing. So once you fill the application, you have to print it. Okay, so this slide has come again, so ignore this because this has come before only. Once you start to fill the application, that time itself you will get it. So you can ignore that.
So yes, after this beta, after this immediately the next slide is this.
This one. So that is print application. You have blurred it. This is how you will get the application along with the photo also and signature also. Then after that you can take a print of this application and keep it handy for your reference. Yes. So next, coming to very interesting news, that is at NEET World we are providing a crash course for NEET.
Yes.
And also EAPCET,
both
Telangana
and AP.
Both for BPC and MPC. Ma'am, what are the features of our course? Can you explain?
Yes. It is the course is of 45 durations. 45 days duration. It is both in offline and online mode. Online mode you can access it through Play Store. Download the app called as MedSpaceWorld.
Yeah.
MedWorld. In that app, the most specific feature which is useful to all students is 10 mock tests are for free. Okay, 10 mock tests with video explanations are for free. And if you want to know about the lectures of all the subjects from our institute, just go to YouTube and click on NEET World channel. You can access the classes of all the lectures, botany, zoology, physics, chemistry and mathematics. And then to join our institute, you can call on to this number, including hostel facility. It is just 15,000. Okay, including hostel facility for crash course offline, the fee is just 15,000. So if you are interested both for online and offline, any of the stream, if you are interested, just dial to this number and call us. Sir, just
and when it comes to online, you can directly access the live classes. In case you miss the live class, or if you are attended the live class also, you can watch the recorded sessions any number of times, and the crash course is starting from 24th March.
Yes.
Another unique feature is we are providing completely free classes for first 1 week, so that you can see the quality of the classes. Only if you are satisfied, you can pay the fees and continue. If you are not satisfied, you can discontinue. Okay, but if you want to see the demo videos, you can go to, like ma'am explained, you can go to NEET World channel and look for the demo videos where I have done mathematics classes, ma'am has done botany classes, and other faculties have done their respective classes. Okay, that's it friends. Please apply carefully like how we explained. Thank you. All the very best. Okay, take care.